When the report containing the semen analysis results is received from the laboratory, it is important to carefully consider some recommendations in order to understand those results. The reference values, decision limits from the WHO usually appear on the right side of the result and in parentheses. The concentration of spermatozoa is expressed in millions per milliliter. Sperm motility, morphology, and vitality are expressed as percentages. It is possible that the units of measurement or reference values change depending on the laboratory in case the semenogram is repeated at another clinic. The WHO's current decision limits are the ones published in year 2021, although on numerous occasions the reference criteria established in year 2010 are still used. And as a guide to help you interpret the results of your semenogram, I am providing the link to our useful tool in the description below. If all the obtained results meet the established reference value, known as the decision limit, then the semen sample is considered normal. This is referred as normozoospermia.